So if I gotta go ham and cut this turkey to get my ticket, then so be it. It's time to eat. Thanks for the early Thanksgiving. My rant's too real. You just say what sound good. Your baby mom's ugly, but I still make her squeal just cause she sound good. Don't hate. Don't hate. So what? I'm from the 718. We started this hip hop shit. That's the reason everyone hate. But I could care less. Niggas just tight cause they can't fuck with the ex. But you know, like your black queen ran off for the random, you stuck with the white bitch, nigga, you can't fuck with your ex. Nigga, fuck Yak the Ripper. I'll smack the nigga. If his cash is bigger, I'll jack the nigga. Might grab the trigger and straight clap the nigga. Or I'll slash his liver like Jack the Ripper. That metal? Split cats like Voltron. I lift hammers like the Thor in the age of Ultron. Give his granny the pipe like she on a date with the Zohan. Then set Nitty on fire just for Super Saiyan he Gohan. Let's turn this shit up. We got the assassin versus this fake bill collector looking ass nigga. Oh no doubt I'm signing you. This gun I hold Beyonce knows, so act up if you want. Man, this bitch will punish blue. I'm not trying to. With no say, niggas need 3 bodies. Well, I'ma get them first. Should I even put it into nose like I'm December 1st? My gun is so pretty. Let's go! You got a 20-80% chance of pulling that off. Like Metropolis crimes. My plan is to take out everything breathing. Apocalypse Drive, and I seen this shorty, she cute. But this Ratchet will knock the limb off and transform her. Now he's done before he reaches peak. That's how you get an Optimus Prime. Listen, man. Yo, my nigga. How you let Chess chin check you? I mean, he ain't tap your jaw. He literally let his chin check you, then wreck you 3-0 easy. I mean, if you every bullet hitting Jay. This clown battled the nigga named Batman and almost died. How the fuck you gonna beat Conan when you can hardly handle Batman, huh, Mr. J? Listen. Even though it's time to do him dirty, in the same moment I'ma clean his clock. Son stuck in denial. Jay will never visit the truth. Like your man Holmes when things got locked. Stop being greedy, you been off more than you could chew. And I'm still the underdog, them niggas all here for you. It's me against the world, so I ain't got no love in here, dog. Psych, where my dogs at? He keep calling himself the killer, but outside of Blue Dream, who the hell is Blueberry? Play Diesel, play Diesel, I'll knock your fucking teeth out, then take blue cheese. I'm a little different than your tooth fairy. Break his face up like he was in a train wreck just for talking that hard shit. When it's AK-47, I'll make you a Skywalker just for thinking you God's gift. I'm fucking smoking this nigga, man. Fucking smoking this nigga, man. So you won't be seen again. You disgrace to mankind. Y'all niggas better place your best. This gonna be hectic, humiliating, horrifying. Nigga, that's the Triple H effect. Yo, bitch. Let's go. If I really got to check the range for blueprints, you got me fucked up, little nigga. Somebody tell God stay in his lane. And when you around my animals, move calmly or you mind, G. You can really die playing these games. Fuck your Teflon, these fuckers go invest. Stocks and bonds. Put the Desi to his bitch in elevator, but when you see this Ratchet kicking Jay, it's not Solange. Wow! But you raw? Shit, I'll be delirious to let him hurt me. Imagine that, fucking with the golden child, he'd be dead in 48 hours. Kid, you Eddie Murphy. Y'all gonna see just how deep this shit flow in when I'm floating. I don't just stand there and act hard in front of pussy. I go in. I'm too ill. I'm too ill. Listen. I go in. I'm too ill. Like a Glock. You wanna fight? Try me, op. Man, y'all gonna see me out here fucking up flow quicker than writer's block. You dirty. But you think it's just cause I'm on your turf? That's what I'll probably do. Don't be stupid, fam. Think Superman. I'm still body in blue, nigga. You a big for nothing type of dude, right? The Will Ferrell kind of nigga. You look like Edward from Twilight, but with the Jim Carrey kind of figure. Fuck person. You get out of pocket, start snitching, and try to hurt me to get fame, I'll smack the shit out your ass like Charlie Murphy did Rick James. How you be throwing up the black power fist, but sound white? Fuck that shit, Bob. He the type to get drunk and start claiming I hate niggas. In his white bitch house. That's why I take talking serious. I give a fuck what come out of his mouth. See, when he talking to me, all y'all ain't rapping but me. So all I hear is get out. Listen. He act up, I'ma let him loose. Y'all gonna see his dome splatter. But if I pull that thing out the trunk, y'all gonna think I was Trump. Cause once I black, lives don't matter. We're shaking, boy.